Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. In case you are new, karibu sana. My name is Miss Kenya and I hope that you can hear me, you guys, because there is a borehole that is being drilled nearby and I have to do this intro, so I really hope that you can hear me because the sounds are audible. I have tried closing all the doors but it's still audible, so we move. And guys, today I want to do a furniture haul. I know some time back I had promised you a furniture haul along Thika Road, which didn't happen, but good thing the shop that I'm going to be going to today can deliver across Nairobi free of charge for this month. She told me that she will be doing that for this month, and they are delivering across the country at a fee. So, and their prices are amazing, you guys. If you've seen my TV stand, I know I've done a video before. It was going for 17k, but she's selling it at 15,000 with the lights on. Such good prices, and her prices are very fair. Her products are nice. Actually, I was plugged by a friend and I thought, why not? So, and also I asked her about it, whether I can film and such things, and she was kind enough to allow me, and she was also kind enough to let me film the items in her house because they are from her shop. Actually, that is the place that I will be going first, to her house, because she has recently moved and she has furnished her house from scratch with items from her shop. So I don't want to talk too much because I know there is noise, one, and two, I don't want to get late. So let's get moving. I will see you when I get to her house. Guys, we are finally here. I want to see whether she's at home. I know she's at home because I had told her that I was coming. So let's knock.
My place.
Thank you. Asante sana. Thank you. I love your home. It's beautiful. You have a beautiful house.
Asante sana. Yes. How was the trip to my place?
It was smooth. It was nice. I loved it.
Asante.
I've never been on this side, okay, but I have loved the place.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Hiya. My name is Anna. I'm a business lady. I own a furniture shop where I deal with furnitures, basically TV stands, coffee tables, seats, beds, shoe racks, and so much more.
Everything furniture.
Anything furniture, I deal with it.
Awesome.
Yes. So my place, actually I called you here to showcase some of the furnitures I've gotten from my shop to my own home. So we can start with the TV stand. We showcase our viewers what I have from my own home. Then later on I'll take you to the workshop where the fundis are still working on some of the furnitures that have already been requested.
Okay, everything here is from your shop.
Everything here is from my shop.
Okay, awesome.
Yes.
I love what I can see already. Okay.
Yes, we can take you through the house.
Okay.
And we can start with this TV stand.
Okay.
So this stand, it's going for 15,000. You can feel the quality and the finishing. You can tell the viewers who are not here.
Let me show them.
Yes.
It has such a smooth finish, very easy to wipe actually.
Yes.
I love it. Very smooth.
Asante. So this one is going for 15,000 together with the LED lights. Actually, it's optional on whether you want them, and they come in different colors. There's blue, green, red. Any color
you want.
Yes, and
awesome.
Even we paint according to your color.
Okay.
Send us any design you want, not this color. Actually, this is the most selling TV stand we've had so far.
This
Very
one
fast selling.
Okay.
Yeah. So any design you want, you'll definitely get it.
So I can come with a photo from Pinterest.
Yes, and I'll try as much as we can with my fundi to give you what you want.
Awesome.
Yes, we have the coach, the L seat here. This one is going for 50,000. You can feel the quality of the material that I've used, and it's a 5-seater. Come with this tufted, like for me I use it as a table, but I'll change this. It comes according to what you want. Okay. There's an order, the round one, this one, it's 50,000 everything.
50,000 everything, inclusive of this one.
50,
awesome. And it's comfortable.
Very comfortable.
I have sat on it and I love it. It's not hard. I love the bouncy feel.
Yes.
Perfect.
Please tell the viewers.
They should.
Furniture, they're going to get exactly what I have in my place.
Lead Furnitures on Instagram.
Yes, at the Lead Furnitures on Instagram.
I think I will also leave your contacts on the description box below, in case they need anything.
Yes.
Yeah. What else do you want to show us?
I have the shoe rack here. Actually, this was the first things I started with when I started my furniture shop.
Okay.
This is the first things I used to sell. I've sold them quite a number. They're cheap, very cheap actually. Let me sell it at a throwaway price of 3,000.
3,000 for my viewers.
Yes.
Awesome.
3,000.
Okay.
It's a small one. Well, actually, it works with small space. We do even the bigger type of shoe rack.
Yeah, I have seen that on your page.
Yes. This one is just a simple one.
Perfect for rental houses in Nairobi.
Exactly.
Wow, I love it.
Yeah. So I can take you through to my bedroom.
It's beautiful. Asante.
Bedroom. And these are 5x6 bed. You can tell of the
wood. Actually, it's the first thing that I noticed.
Yes.
Quality wood.
Yes, I've used quality wood, and it doesn't tinker when you shake it around.
Yeah.
It doesn't tinker. So one like this is going for 40,000, and it comes with 2 side bedside.
The bedside tables.
Yes.
Or drawers.
They come 2 of them, but for me it took 1 due to the space.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take 2 or 1.
And I can tell that it's tabled.
Imekwa vizuri.
Imekwa
Such that when you
vizuri.
clean down there maji haitaharibu.
Hata vile hiyo base imetengenezwa, I
Na
can.
haitaharibu the floor.
Okay.
Yes.
Awesome.
Okay, fine. Karibu sana.
Asante. So from here you take us to your shop,
Yes,
the workshop.
The workshop. Then you meet my fundis. They're on standby and they're waiting for you.
Let's go.
Yes.
Before we go to the workshop,
Yes.
I would love you to clarify a number of things.
Yes.
For example, like where can my audience reach you?
Yes.
Yeah.
So they can call me on 0748 108 668. Actually, they'll speak to me directly. They'll get no one else will pick it me. And then what else?
And you also have a page on Instagram.
Yes,
I have seen it.
Yes, I do have a page on Instagram at the Lead Furnitures. It's a new page, so we created just the other week. Please follow us. Send me photos through that. I'll answer you. And the mode of payment, first for me, I like it when people do half the deposit. Then when I deliver, you malizia the rest of the amount.
That is manageable. You
Yes.
pay half before,
Yes.
half after.
Yes.
Awesome. Alafu, how do you deliver?
I have a vehicle to deliver this small, there's like TV stand, coffee tables, shoe racks. I'll personally deliver with my driver. Then for these bigger ones like the seats and the bed, I'll have to hire a pickup for you. They'll deliver. And for all that, it's on my cost for 1 month.
For 1 month.
Yes, it will be on my
It's
cost.
free for-
It's free delivery this month.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. Another thing that I would love to know, the time frame of delivery is like, if I place an order today, when will I get my item?
If you place an order today, within 3 days, for example, a TV stand, shoe rack, coffee tables, within 3 days, it's delivered. A seat, within 5 days, it's delivered. Seat and bed, within 5 days, it's delivered. Yes.
Oh, so for the seat and bed, it's 5 days. For
Yes.
the rest, it's 3
3
days.
days.
Na sile ya mafundi.
Kuna sile ya mafundi. For me, I
Najua
deliver with, actually, I think I'll even be the one pushing you. Your item is ready. Nilete ama nisilete, because for me, I have so many foodies and they're on time, very much on time.
Okay.
Yes.
So if it's 3 days, it's 3 days.
Yes, if you agree it's 3 days, unless you tell me, because maybe you don't, there's some who come to me and tell me I don't have the full amount, kindly take longer. So if you do it on Monday and you tell me it's next week on Monday, then I'll deliver next week on Monday.
Okay, so you still have the lipa pole pole option?
For me, yes, but at most I like it when it's half the deposit. There's
Half
so
the
many con
deposit.
people.
Oh, yeah.
You must do half the deposit of the total amount. I make your item, then after you complete the payment when I deliver at your place.
Okay,
Yes.
awesome.
Yeah, the free delivery is within Nairobi.
Within
Please.
Nairobi.
Yes, within Nairobi.
Free delivery is within Nairobi only.
Yes.
Okay, take us to the workshop.
Aya, karibu, let's go.
Okay, guys, we are finally here at the workshop. These are the stands that are being made, and they have a lot. There are still others inside, and these are the foodies at work. So that is basically it, and they still have materials inside, and they still have other materials here. So I will leave the contact details on the description box below, and as she said, it takes 3 to 5 days to get your order. Yeah, here are some of the items that are done. We have that console, they also have dressers, and this is how they wrap their couches so that they don't get scratched when transported. And they also have bed, they are good at it, so call them on the numbers on the description box below.